Hello YouTube viewers, welcome to today's video. I'm Gideon from Droid Freaks, and I'm going to be showing you a new custom ROM from Crystal Zen ROM. This ROM has been taken a lot of time in development, 3 months to be exact. And yeah, first of all, I would really love to thank the team who has made the ROM, Jaysidh Dumbali. This ROM has really taken a lot of time, and at the last moment, some few previews were released of the ROM, and so yeah, and finally we have got to try out the ROM. So let's get started. So basically, once you start up your ROM, once you flash the ROM, you'll get a touch user interface. So you can touch. It's like a touch setup. It's very amazing. I can't really explain it to you because you'll have to flash it and see for yourselves, because I really couldn't record that. But anyway, I will brief you about that afterwards. So coming back to the ROM, it's amazing. It's really amazing. This shows the amount of hard work which has gone into this ROM, and it's really outstanding. So yeah, now let's get started. Basically, once you reboot, you'll get a real refreshed user interface, and not only that, you'll get even a refreshed boot animation. The boot animation will be like some a I really don't know, a flash of light going in curves, and then it Android comes, and it's and yeah, once Android comes, it starts loading the OS for you to use. Basically, the Android boot screen is from the old versions of Android, but it suits me because the boot screen is really amazing, and I really like it. They have completely changed it. You won't see the what you call it, the SuperUser, Superphone Aisha screen. You won't see that. You'll just be directly redirected to the lock screen. So I'll give you a detailed review of the whole complete ROM. First, we are going to start with the lock screen as usual. So yeah, so this is the lock screen, nothing much but the same as the stock lock screen, but with a few modifications. You can pull down to unlock, and you have unlocked the device. And yeah. So once you unlock, you'll get this screen here where there's one thing called a clock. You'll just have to remove them. Yeah, so yeah, it has 3 screens. You can easily remove these screens by just tapping there and doing that. So yeah, so anyway, let's get started now. At first impression, you will really like the wallpaper, the background wallpaper which has been put behind. It really looks techno type of pop mixed into, I really don't know what I'm saying, but yeah, it really looks nice. I really don't know, the mixture is of a night theme of, you can see, it's not like we don't have eyes. You can see that the building lights are on and it's a bit dark, so the screen, yeah, it's just a mix of daylight and night. It's really nice with some other stuff coming above. So yeah, that's the background wallpaper. Next up is the dock. Now when you see the dock, you can't really explain what the dock really means. And what I mean by that is that it's really hard for people to understand what the dock means. Like, I really don't know what, on this side, on the right hand side, you can see this green Turkish color round with a headphone type of icon. I really don't know what it was, so I really didn't understand what the icons were getting to. Well, for some, I could, like, this is the messaging application. So, like, from there, you can determine where you will get to. But some icons are really confusing. So as you see, if I've touched this, I really don't understand how it has helped. In a sense, I really don't know how this really makes sense, this icon. If it makes sense to you, and if you know, please leave a comment in the description below. And yeah, so you get these applications, I mean icons, which are really a bit not, properly designed, but it really looks nice, and it matches the room, so we can't complain about that. Now, first thing you'll notice is that you won't find your app drawer launcher icon. I mean, yeah, seriously, when I first came into the Rome, I didn't know how to get to my applications. I had to swipe and even throw my phone from place to place. No, I'm just joking. But yeah, I had to swipe and see what combination works. But little did I know, you just had to put your fingers somewhere here, down, and then swipe up. You get your uh, app drawer. Very nicely done in some sense, but it will be a bit difficult for people to understand, of course. But yeah, um, and yeah, swipe again. It takes some time for the thing to swipe. You need to get a bit of practice. I'm trying to swipe. Oops, sorry. So yeah, anyway, so yes, that's your app drawer. And when you look at your app drawer, it's nearly empty. When you first start your app drawer, it's just like one page of applications. um, Basically, why they have done this, I really don't know, but I think it's what I feel on my side is they have not put too many applications. It's just because if they do, then it would lag, and the OS would really be a bit slow on RAM. And I really think this is true, because when I went to my settings, I just saw that I just had about 60 MB of RAM available, which is not much, because you can really get much more RAM otherwise. So yeah. um, Coming back. So let's see, what else do I have here? So yeah, I think so. That's it for the app drawer. As you can see, the icons have changed quite a bit from other ROMs, but this one has changed the icons just because the launcher, which is called the Leva launcher, has changed these icons. Anyway, coming back. Yes, so let's go through all the applications and review all of them. This is going to be a really long review, and please don't get bored. If you do, you can just skip down by seeking the YouTube video. So calculator, let's see what's here. Yeah, this is a big number. Yep, that's my percentage. I'm just joking. Anyway, so the calculator is truly different. If you see, it doesn't actually match the ROM, but it does. It feels Windows 8 type of, just because of the big buttons and the icons, and the way it makes the transition effect from gray to blue to gray again. So it's very interesting. So you can do your calculations quite easily. There's nothing much to cry about. You'll get nearly all your stuff here. Yeah, they have modded stock calculator. Anyway, going back, so let's see the calendar. I hope, oh, it stays the same. So the calendar stays the same, except the font, which is 123, you'll see that the font is a bit more bolder and stronger built. Looks good, kind of, but I really hoped that they would theme it a bit more, because the calendar is really boring to look at, especially the gingerbread ones. And coming back, let's see the call log. This is not an application, it's just a combination from the phone application. So yeah, I won't go through this. I'll go through this afterwards, just because call log is a completely different thing. Camera. So basically, the camera is changed a lot, completely. It's just a jelly bean type of look, which is really nice in some sense, because people really wanted a kind of jelly bean look. And as you can see, the take button is just, nice, really nice. And it's really done very nicely. I think the developer has just taken the application and decompiled it and put his icons and his stuff, and modded it and themed it actually. So yeah, camera is there. So the clock, let's see. Okay, there is a bit of a bug here. As you can see, the 6 is not exactly shown properly, and even the 0 and even the 2. So a small bug. It's not actually a bug, but it's just a type of a glitch. But it's not going to be easily visible, so it's no use complaining about it. And next, the email. I don't want to show you this, because this is quite a application which none want, because everyone is on Gmail these days. And okay, I'll just show you. I really don't know what to show you, because yeah, there's, okay, look at it. Looks nice, doesn't it? Anyway, next is the FM radio. Let's see if anything has changed. Nothing much. It has been themed. Okay, plug in earphones. If you can see from the background, it's really design which is the blue design, and yeah, it's mostly blue and nothing much more. The gallery ICS, what does that mean? You know by the name. As you can see, this is uh what do you call that, an application from the Google Play Store. So yeah, this guy has taken the application. I don't know if it is paid or not, but yeah, he has taken it from the Play Store and put it here. And frankly, I guess quick pick will be a bit more better. That's what I think, just because I've been using it for a long time. Gmail, let's see. I don't want to show you my stuff, just cause. So yeah, let's see this. So the you could. I didn't want to show you much, but the Gmail has a kind of a look which is completely different. It's 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 more like a black theme with blue embedded. So yeah, and lava home, which when I press comes back to the home, which refreshes the interface. Then music, it has taken the Google Play, the Google music player from, yeah, from the Google Play Store and put it here, just because I mean, what am I saying? Just because it is free and it has that blue type of theme, which normally many music players don't have. I'm going to come back to the Play Store in just a second, and let's see Root Explorer. Root Explorer is given in the ROM itself. So as you can see, there's really nothing much. It's just a root explorer with the root explorer has not been themed. It's just that the background, which was black, has changed to the background which the developer has put. So that's the only change. There's nothing else. Let's see search also. There's nothing else. But when you open search, you will see this transparent type of awesome type of keyboard, which is really spacey. It's very spacey. As you can see, it's so spacey. It's like, what I mean by spacey, you can see that if you press H, um, all this stuff is very spacey. It makes people type faster, just because it feels there's no boundaries. You can just go anywhere. So it really feels nice. This interface is like a glass interface. It really looks nice and really suits the ROM. Next up is the settings. The settings has gone a major UI revamped. So you can see that communication and is there no just communication. You can go to your SIM management, your call settings, wireless and networks. When you go to system, you can go to your user profiles, display, language and keyboard, date and time, schedule, power on and off. Let's see your keyboard. Yep, this is nothing much has changed, just the theme, that's all. So next is applications. You can go to your applications, account and sync, privacy, security, location and storage. When you go to others, you'll see it's the accessibility, voice and input and output, and about phone. Let's go to about phone to see the phone. So as you can see, the ROM name, which is Crystal Zen, capital N, hyphen M, capital M, mode. You can see the ROM builder, which is Jaysidh Dumbali, and the contact for the developer, which is his Facebook page. As you can see, www.facebook.com. As you can see, that's www.facebook.com. So yeah, it's a spelling mistake by Jaysidh Dumbali and someone else, I really don't know. And you can see the ROM version, which is version 1, model number Micromax A52, Android version. Oh, look at that. Isn't that so nice? We have got such a big upgrade. From gingerbread, we directly reached to a jelly bean. I really don't know why I can't still find Google now. Let's see. Oh, zombie art? Are you kidding? This is zombie art? Okay, whatever. I won't sarcastically go around this stupid stuff. But you can see the kernel version is about the same. It's same. It's nothing much. You can see a status as well. Nothing much again. And let's go to the applications and see how much internal storage we have. When I opened the application, I got about 103 MB of free internal storage. But since I've just installed 2 applications which won't eat up a lot of stuff, it has taken up nearly half of it. So basically the internal storage has not been tweaked, and it stayed the same when we got the stock ROM. So yeah, you get a really bad internal storage, not good, which is really bad. And if you go to all, it's the same thing here. But luckily on SD card saves the day by clicking the application you want and moving it, or clearing the data, or for stopping it, or uninstalling it, or clearing the cache, or clearing the defaults, or looking at the permissions. So yeah, you can do all of that, which is everything is the same, nothing much. You can look at your running applications. As you can see, I've got 64 MB free, which is kind of good, which I wouldn't really expect. But let's remove some applications and let's see what we get. So yeah, Google services, which I really don't use right now. And you can see that I will just round this up to 80 MB. Okay. As you can see, Google services came again. Why does it happen? I don't know. It really needs it. Anyway, so you can see that we have got 72 MB of free RAM, which is kinda good, which is not the best and not the worst. It's normal for a phone like this and even on a ROM like this. So kind of good. I really don't know any bugs. I've not faced any bugs, but I found some glitches which I've shown you, like the clock and the name, which is the www.facebook.com, which is spelled wrongly. And oh, you can see that 80 MB of free RAM is available. If we see the catch program, there's quite a few applications which are cached. That's a good sign. So I guess it's really kind of good. The RAM management is good. I think it's really tweaked. And yeah, I think so. That's it. Is that it? Because I'm really getting tired. You can go to your sim toolkit. I won't go through that just because it's going to be different on many devices. And SuperUser, which has a change in icon, but exactly the same. Yeah, it's just the same, nothing much. It's just a root. So yes, there is root on this phone. So that's a plus point for many people. When you go to your theme, let's see if there's anything. Oh wow, I didn't know that you could do this. This is a completely new, a different UI. Let's see. Default import. What am I doing? What am I doing? Okay, let's apply this theme. Did you feel any change? No, we didn't. Can I delete it? I don't want to. Anyway, I think so. This theme package comes with the launcher, or it is just one standalone application from the Google Play Store. So I really don't know. Please, I'm just seeing. Okay, connection timed out. Forget. So let's see your wireless settings as the same. It's just like the settings, nothing much there as well. And I won't review my personal applications. So that is it for the applications. I know it's really tiring, but I mean, watching the video, I'm just giving you a full review just cause. Anyway, coming back, so you won't see your browser here, but you will see a browser in the first, second, third icon, which is a Turkish blue mix of half on from the right hand side, if you understand what I said just now. And you can see that it directly redirects you to andropark.blogspot. I think um, he didn't change it, he just kept it the same. And then you can go to your messaging and then your phone book. Now I'm just going to take you to the dial pad. The really nice addition to this ROM is that of its dial pad, and also its awesome type of glassy finish of the keyboard, which really looks nice. So yeah, that's the sound. That's no one's number. um if you can see match items, no, nothing. Anyway, so it's quite the same, nothing much, um just a nice interface which looks pretty awesome, to tell you the truth. And yeah, you can go switch to messaging from here. Now this is why I switched to messaging, just to show you this awesome type of keyboard. You can it's the messaging system is just the same, it's just that the keyboard is different. So yeah, next up, I think so that's it. I really don't think we have much more to review. Oh yes, I forgot, completely forgot, is this notification um, notification bar, which is also has a quite a change. So let's check it out. So as you drop down the notification from the status bar, you will see these boxes which are really hit, which really hit on the eyes. it looks really nice. It's pretty simple, nothing much. And if you swipe to the right, you will see these options which you can choose from. So yes, I'm waiting for the data connection to go off. As you can see, it has animations as well, which really looks nice, really brings it to life, and you can see data connection has gone off. So yes, that's it for it, and for the toolkits menu. And you can see, yeah, brightness has not gone above, it's just the same. So yeah, I think so that's it. I really don't think I have much more to review or tell y'all guys about, because this ROM is just the same but with a refreshed interface and some few tweaks here and there. Oh, by the way, I wanted to show you the Google Play Store. So let's show it to you. Um, See, I'm just waiting for connection. I just want to show it to you because it has a new interface. It's also going to suit the ROM and the interface together. So you can see that Google Play has a new interface, and since it has a new interface, it also matches. Oh, great! New. He's so serious. It has a new interface, and it is completely changed. If you can see, okay, I don't know why that happened, but I hope this is not a bug, but yeah, I won't go there. But I've done a review on the new Google Play Store's interface, which you can check down in the description below. So I really recommend you to watch that. Um, just because it has a lot of stuff regarding the interface and how to go about it. So yes, I think so that's the review. Thanks for watching. If you think I've done a good job in reviewing, and if you like the review, please give a like in the description, down below, and give comments if you have any comments, if you have any thing regarding the ROM, please give a comment in the comment section below. And yeah, thanks for watching. I think so that's it, and subscribe for more videos from Droid Freaks, and you visit our blog. And yes, thanks for watching. Bye bye.